traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, it's still extremely clearly a wave 1, 2, 3, and like I've been saying, wave 3s can extend way further than you may think. I think a lot of people are expecting this wave 3 to end, which it could end, but it also could just keep on going up like that before it decides to make the big pullback for a wave 4, then another push up for a wave 5. So don't think that this wave 3 has to be over, because it definitely doesn't have to be over. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the fact that we're closing above the 200%, it for me is kind of a clue that it probably will end up going up to one of these higher fib levels. I think there's a very good chance this is going to make another push up at some point when it's ready. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have a little bit of a trend within a trend right now, because we got that big trend on the higher time frames, but then we got a smaller trend right here. We got a wave 1, we got a wave 2, and this is all still a wave 3. We still do not have a breaker structure. We do not have a lower high, and we do not have a Fibonacci bounce. So really, there's no reason still to say that this wave 3 is over. Like I said, wave 3s can extend way, way, way further than you may think that they can. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely had a nice impulsive move down, which I would assume is a wave A. I think this is now making probably a wave B, which will probably push up one more time, and I think that will probably push down at some point for a wave C. Now, even though I say this is the most likely thing to happen, it doesn't really have to push down for that wave C. It could possibly just keep on drifting up, especially since the trend is up on every single higher time frame. So I would still be a little bit on the cautious side sorting it. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here, which I think is a wave A. I think this move up right here is a wave A or B. I think this is likely a wave B or B, and I think it probably is going to pop up maybe to 78 or retest the 61.8, maybe even the 88.5 for a wave C, and this is probably going to be an A, B, C, or B. Now, oftentimes what we think is a wave B is actually the continuation of the uptrend. That's why I say, even though I think it's going to go down and make a more proper ABC like this, which would be a wave 4, I would still be very cautious sorting this, because even though I drew this out and I think this is the most likely scenario, a lot of the times what you think is a wave B is actually the continuation of the uptrend. So this thing could easily just keep on going up, especially with the fact that every single higher time frame all the way down through is in a wave 3 uptrend still. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.